Hello students, today we have discussed integral. What is integral? Improper integral and proper integral. Now we have integral I is equals to a to b fx dx, right? This is the integrand and this is the limit of this integral. When it is called proper, it's said to be proper then when the limit of this is finite and the integrand fx is continuous on the closed interval. What's the limit is given? Okay, when the integrand is continuous in this closed interval and the limit is finite, so it is called proper integral. Now what is improper integral? Improper integral if the either it integrand is discontinuous or the limit is not finite, so it is called improper integral. There are two types of improper integral. First type with the infinite limit of integration, that type of a to infinite, either a to infinite or minus infinite to a. Okay, this is infinite limit of integration, limit is not finite. And if second type is integrand, this is discontinuous in the interval, right? So it is called two types of improper integral. Now type first is, what is the type first and what is the use of this? Type first is infinite limit of integration, right? Limit of integration a to infinite fx dx. This is the type of this. So if there is infinite, how do we find the limit of this? We cannot take directly put the value infinite on this function, so we can take limit and introduce a variable t. So a to t fx dx, then it is integrated and taking the limit of this, so the value of this integral is equals to a to infinite fx dx, right? Now for second, infinite limit is type this minus infinite to b, because this is a lower limit, so it is minus infinite to b. It is the upper limit, so it is plus infinite fx dx, which is equals to when we have minus infinite, so we introduce t to b fx dx, t tending to minus infinite, right? Now the third type is minus infinite to plus infinite. Minus infinite to plus infinite, there is also third type. So taking split of this integral within minus infinite to a and a to infinite, so minus infinite to a fx dx plus a to infinite fx dx, there is no difference is that. And finding the integrals value of this type and this integral value from this type, put the values of this, then it is equals to this integral value, right? Now taking the type 2, discontinuity of integrand. This is the improper integrals second type, discontinuity of integrand. That means that f is discontinuous at b. If we have closed interval a comma b, then the limit is a to b finite fx dx. When it is discontinuous at b, so we can take t as a variable and t tending to b minus a fx dx, right? How it is t minus, we can introduce next term. F is discontinuous at a. If it is discontinuous at a beginning point, so this will take t tending to a plus, right? T tending to a plus t to b fx dx. Now f is discontinuous at c, so it will split up in a to c fx dx plus c to b fx dx, and c is the discontinuous point, so take the limit of t is c minus, and if the lower limit is that t to b, then t tending to c plus. Always learn that if the t is lower limit, then t tending to c plus, and if t is the upper limit, then t tending to c minus, provided both the integral on the right exist.